Hi, Rocky. Hi, Max boy. Look here. Look here, Max. Look here. That's a friend. Don't be afraid, okay? This is Max's baby bird. He's around he'll be 3 months after 10-12 days, and this is a 6-year-old blue-throated macaw name called Rocky. Rocky is first time very close to African grey, and he has never been so close to any other species before this. Good boy. Such a lovely bird. What's your reaction, baby? Come on, Max. Hey, Max, good boy. You want more? That's like a sweet boy. You can just turn back. What a beautiful bird, man. Wow, amazing.